Hello, welcome to Vibetrading. My name is Don Okoro. The stock market rallied today as a result of the stimulus deal that was reached in the Congress. So let's look at the market and kind of see what happened with the S&P 500, because that will tell us the bigger picture we need to know. And we're also going to look at the two stocks we traded today and just kind of learn a few lessons from it. All right, let's dive into the analysis. So I have the S&P 500 open, or the SPY open already. This is our 5-minute, 5-day chart, but let's just start with the daily chart, because that will tell us the bigger picture we need to, or the bigger story we need to know. And I'm gonna clear this drawing so that we're gonna have a clear drawing. It's gonna be clear so we can be able to map out some key level. So if we map out some key level here, this is where we found some support. And if you look at this level, I'm just mapping out, that's a support level, right? That's a resistance level right there. So what happened was we kind of traded down and it consolidated. Remember this, it's been trading down and we started consolidating right here. Okay, now it's beginning to go back up. So one thing you have to understand is, as we are moving to the upside, this is a resistance level, and this is our 20-day moving average. What's gonna happen is, if it gets to here, it might try to hit that resistance level and sell back. And let me just try to map it out so you kind of see what I'm talking about. When it gets to this level here, what's gonna happen is, if it doesn't break that level, it's gonna try to sell down. Okay, and if that happens, what we have going on will be a channel. That means we are gonna be just trading in that channel, because you cannot really predict what's gonna happen, but you just gotta anticipate this is what's gonna happen based on the price action. Okay, that being said, this is a key level we need to focus now. If you're gonna get in this trade, you need to start looking how much risks you're gonna risk and how much reward you're gonna get. What I teach people is, you have to risk $1 in order to make $3. So you can try to break it down into cents depending how much you are gonna be trading with or investing with. You know, you just try to manage risks. Okay, and also when we just go to the 1-minute charts, we can see that the massive move we made today from this chart, you know, we opened somewhere around this level, the 245 level, and we went all the way to the high of 256. So that's a very massive move. But before the end of the day, we had some sell-off. At this moment, the market is very unpredictable, because we are in the midweek. Today being Wednesday, it's a midweek. So, you know, like towards the end of the week, people try to sell the stock so they wouldn't hold it over the weekend. So, you know, so the best thing to do is to just kind of keep that level I talked about, which is this level I talked about. Just kind of keep that level, keep it in mind, you know, as we approach that level, and see what it's gonna do. If it's gonna break that resistant level, if it doesn't break it, it's gonna go to the downside. All right, let's look at gold, because gold has been doing really well. And here is gold. As we can see, gold is trading above the 20-day moving average. So it's just hanging in there. You know, as of last week, it was trading around the 137 level, but it went all the way to 155. So let's look at our 1 minute and see. Okay, from the 1 minute chart, you can see that it's just kind of selling off. But if you look from last week, from our 5-day, you can be able to understand 5 days. It was this was good, was trading around the 140, and it went to 155 in a matter of 2 days. So that's a very big move. Okay. All right. Enough with that. Let's quickly look at the play we played today, which is Uber. Uber was a great trade. Let me just clear this drawing because it was a great play. Just let me just give you the thesis behind this play. If we look at Uber from the last 5 days, we can see that it's making some higher high and higher low move to the upside. But what's happening is Uber is in a very big business right now. I mean, the corona or the COVID-19 affect their business in some way, but with you knowing that most of the restaurants are shut down, a lot of people are relying on delivering services for their food. So that's a market for Uber. Okay. So that's Uber is delivering food. They're making money from the food delivery as of right now, and also from the ride, they're also making money. So we gotten into this trade. Let me just show you the 1-year chart so you see so you can understand the thesis behind this trade. So Uber was trading. Uber normally trades around 42 level. Okay. So it sold off down to like $13 and it's picking back again. So we got in and we're still holding this position because there are more buyers in this stock. Our next target, the target is the 34 level. That's where my target is. That's where I intend to get out from the trade. And you just got to be patient with this trade. It's gonna work. So we got in. Let me see. I think we got in, let's see. Okay. So we are just approaching this level right here. It's about to break this level. It's about to break my 20-day moving average. As soon as it breaks it, that means we are in stage 2 of the market. The stages we talked about, that means we are gonna be in stage 2. And as soon as we get in stage 2, it's going to attract more buyers to want to come into the market, to come and trade and, trade the stock. So, but this is my target to get out from the trade at 34 level. That's my target. So when we got in today, we just got in, let's see where we got in. We got in at this level when it was trading below. It was just trading at this level. That's when we got in based on what we see that it's made this higher move right here, and it pulled back. So that was an opportunity for us to get in, and we also have some crossover from the moving average. So that was a very good move we made. And for some of you in our trading room that participated in the trade, that was a great win. Okay, and let's also go ahead and look at Boeing or BA. BA was another great trade today. This thing was just going bananas. So I mean, it was a very great trade. So anyways, it sold off as a result of the issue that was going on in the country. But if you can look, it's just coming up. It's approaching the 20-day moving average right here. Let me just clear this chart. You see, let me show you what I'm seeing right here. See, it dropped so fast right here, consolidated right here, and it's picking back up again. And we are just approaching this level right here. Okay, that level is where we have our 20-day moving average. Okay, as soon as it crosses this level, it's gonna shoot up, because that's as soon as it crosses this green line, the 20-day moving average, it's gonna go up to the high. So I think Boeing, it's really setting up for a big move. So I would just keep it on my watch list and just know that it's gonna be a great stock to trade in the next coming week. From all look of things, you know, if we'll just look at the 5 days, just to kind of see what happened in the last 5 days, we can see that it's been making some higher high and higher low. So if you had just bought it right here at $92, you would have just doubled your money now. I know, but in hindsight, I mean, you're not gonna know, but think about it. If you bought it at $92, you just bought a couple of shares, you would have doubled your money in the next 2 or 3 days. All right, well, thank you for staying to the end of this analysis. If you like the video, or if you find value in the video, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get any updates. And I want to thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.